Mastering German Imperative. Welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In this lesson, we'll delve into the imperative, teaching you how to effectively give advice, instructions, commands, or requests in German. Understanding imperative. Imperative sentences in German provide advice, instructions, commands, or requests. Similar to English, they often start with a specific word and end with an exclamation mark. Let's explore when and how to use imperative in different contexts. Using imperative for requests. The primary use of imperative is for requests. In sentences like, Bitte essen Sie Gems, please eat your vegetables, the verb is in the first position, emphasizing the request. The word bit is commonly used in such sentences, indicating politeness. Employing imperative for commands. When you need to command or order someone, imperative is your go-to. For instance, fahr doch schnell, drive quickly highlights the commanding tone. Intonation plays a crucial role in conveying the force of the command, with words like doch adding emphasis. Giving advice with imperative. Imperative is also employed when giving advice. Trink mehr Wasser, drink more water exemplifies this usage. You can enhance politeness by adding bit, as in, trink bit mehr Wasser. Building imperative. To construct imperative, focus on the second person singular and plural forms. For the singular do form, remove do and the verb ending st. For irregular verbs, like sein, to be, note that umlaut changes may occur. Plural forms involve removing ihr. Singular do, give, come, learn, fahr, drive. Plural ihr, jet, kommt, lernt, fahrt. Special cases, other verbs. Certain verbs have unique imperative forms. Here are a few examples. Haben, to have. Hab Geduld, have patience. Werden, to eat. Vader gesund, eat healthily. Sign, to sing. Sing froh, sing joyfully. Congratulations! You've gained valuable insights into using imperative in German. Practice these structures, and soon you'll master the art of giving instructions, commands, and advice. Dank for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons.